Have you considered using virtual assistants in your business but just weren't sure how to start and how it works? I'm Adam Hooley and welcome to part 7 of my 7-part series on implementing virtual assistants into your business. In this session, we're going to talk about the security implications of offshoring your business to another location. So this often comes up with many businesses that I work with, is that they've often always had control over security within their own environment or their own four walls on their onshore location. Now we're going to take your business model, we're going to take it offshore and we're going to stick it in a location that often you don't know much about. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through how that affects your business and how secure your business is in one of our offshore locations. So we're currently undergoing a new accreditation, which will be one of the leading accreditation in the world around document security. And what's going to happen once that's complete, it's going to allow us to present you with top level document security. While we're going through that, we also have a lot of physical security in place as part of the implementation of security in our offshore businesses. So things like we have very secure locations, and those locations have patrolled guards that manage all entry and exits from the building to make sure all staff have access or photo access. Those photo accesses are required to swipe into the building. There's also biometric access, so we know who's coming and going. We have a lot around document management. So we have secure printing devices that you have to have a code to print, so we know exactly who's printing what. We're running security software on each of our servers and each of our computers, so we know who's operating at any particular point in time. We also have document shredding. So if your team's required to print documents for whatever processes they have, then they can destroy them successfully in our document shredders to make sure that they don't get in any of the wrong hands. We also have alarm systems. We have CCTVs through our entire facility that run 24 hours a day, so we can see exactly who's coming and going. All our team members are required to sign non-disclosure statements to make sure that anything that they learn about your business stays also in your business. And also we're using proper technology software for locking our computers down securely, including malware and things like that hackers would normally use to get into our computer systems. Also, our employer screening up front is very detailed. When we employ new staff members for your particular team, our screening process is very thorough, just to make sure that we're getting the best of the best. So just to give you peace of mind and make you better understand that security of your business in our offshore locations is our highest priority. And we're doing everything we can to make sure that you're operating in the most secure location. That's it I have for part 7 of this series, which is the final part on employing next generation virtual assistants into your business. If you need a hand with anything, don't forget to reach out to Hooley Virtual or reach out to me at adam@adamhooley.com. I'm Adam Hooley. Talk again soon.